Hey everyone, howdy, howdy, howdy. Got a nice little day here going. Hey, when I was at lunch, I caught this ugly fish. Some people think they're pretty. Anyway, they're dinosaur looking. They call them alligator cars. They call them, I mean, this one's a spotted gar, but y'all hang on a second. Y'all gotta see this fish. Anyway, I got it over here in this cooler. Y'all see the teeth on that thing? Anyway, Juan wants it for dinner. I'm gonna go get son of a truck driver. I'm gonna see if I can scare him. Let's go. I'm gonna tell him come over here. Let's see if we can get him. Anyway, I got a little Ranger on the chopping block, but I got a truck here right now. I gotta load it. He's laying up in the truck. I'm gonna get him out. Watch. There he is over there. I got him. Let's go get him. Hey, I gave him my hat. Look at it. It looks pretty good on him. He's a big old boy. Walking too fast. What y'all doing, Cyrus? What y'all doing? Come on.
Working and stuff.
I seen you over there with your feet up on the dash, just kicking back. We'll let them wrap a couple bundles. Did y'all eat lunch and stuff?
Yeah. We stopped at Taco Bell and got some of the nacho fries, $5 more.
You see this little Ranger?
Yeah.
This is what you need right here, man.
No.
You can't get down in a little Ranger?
No, that's too small for me.
Huh?
I think my dad's truck.
Well, that's not what I wanted to happen. That's what I wanted to happen. No. Cyrus, do me and your dad a favor and go over and get us a water out of that red cooler. I just put some ice in there.
My dad?
Well, get you one too, but you know, me and your dad, because you know, hard-working dudes.
My dad has one.
All right, well, give me and you one then. And the red one. Oh God, we got him, we got him, we got him. We got him. That boy's so tough, he's not even scared. That boy's so tough, he's not even scared. Man, he's not even scared. That's how big and tough a boy is. Hey, that's Juan's dinner. Man, that didn't work. Hope I didn't waste everybody's time. He's smiling though. That's a pretty big fish, huh?
Yeah.
Did it scare you at all? Not one bit? Come on, man. Even with the head up like that? You think we'll scare your dad? No? Man.
My dad's
I need Joel. That's who I need. We need Joel. Now, I thought for sure you at least jerk your hand back. You ain't scared of nothing, are you, Cyrus? Dang. I guess when you're as big as you are, you ain't got to worry about it.
I did that for my dad. The last time I scared my dad was we were wiring a system in the truck. You know?
Hey, what about Ronnie? I bet we could get Ronnie. Alright.
But we were wiring some speakers up in the truck. And there was a mosquito. And I had clapped. And it scared the crap out of him because he had thought...
Some sparks were flying?
Yeah, he thought that something was grounded out somewhere.
Well, alright, man. Let's go to work. Not really.